First, let's rule out the simplest causes. On your Tesla's touchscreen, go to Controls greater than Sounds greater than Navigation. Ensure the navigation volume slider isn't set to 0 or muted. Also, check if the master volume is appropriately set. It's easy to accidentally mute navigation during phone calls or media playback, so double-check those settings too. Confirm volume isn't disabled globally or per app. Microphones calibrate adaptive volume scaling based on vehicle speed and ambient noise. Also be aware of adaptive volume scaling based on vehicle speed and ambient noise, calibrated by microphones in the cabin. A quick reboot can often resolve temporary software glitches. To restart your Model 3's infotainment screen, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. This usually takes about 5 seconds. This process clears the system's cache and restarts background processes that may be interfering with the navigation voice. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that include bug fixes and improvements for the Model 3's navigation voice system. Ensure your Model 3 is running the latest software version, v13.2.1 or later, by checking for updates in the software menu. Tesla now includes a voice diagnostics tool in the settings menu for self-troubleshooting navigation voice problems. Run this diagnostic to identify potential problems with the voice system. These updates often address navigation voice issues. If software updates and restarts don't fix the navigation voice issue, the problem could be hardware-related. Faulty speakers or wiring can prevent sound from coming through. Tesla's data shows this affects about 5 to 10% of cases. Check your Model 3's speakers for any visible damage or blockages. Look at the speaker cones and grills for cracks or debris. Also, examine the wiring connections for loose or damaged cables. These hardware issues can cause the navigation voice to fail. If you notice any problems, contact Tesla Service for a professional inspection and repair. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and your Model 3's navigation voice is still not working, it's time to reach out to Tesla Service. Schedule an appointment conveniently through the Tesla app or their website. Once scheduled, a certified technician can diagnose the underlying issue, whether it's hardware-related like faulty speakers or software glitches requiring firmware reflashes. For more complex or persistent problems, Tesla recommends visiting a service center where technicians can perform comprehensive diagnostics and necessary firmware updates to restore full functionality. Tesla's infotainment systems are constantly evolving with AI integration, providing seamless voice control and automated troubleshooting capabilities. Statistics from Tesla's 2025 user feedback surveys show a 40% drop in reported voice problems after version 13, driven by cloud-based diagnostics. The trend toward AI-integrated voice systems will likely reduce these issues further, with features like predictive voice adjustments becoming more common.